November 2022, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, a groundbreaking chatbot that swiftly became a sensation, igniting discussions about its potential impact on the job market. This release marked a pivotal moment in AI development, as it showcased the immense capabilities of AI in understanding and generating human-like text. Following the debut of ChatGPT, a surge of AI chatbots and productivity tools emerged, posing a significant threat to human jobs across various sectors. OpenAI's Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati has made bold statements about AI's inevitable role in eliminating certain jobs, particularly those within the creative sector. This script delves into Murati's insights, the broader implications for the job market, and the transformative potential of AI. The creative sector under threat. Creative jobs have been under scrutiny since the advent of AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E. These technologies have demonstrated their capability to autonomously generate creative outputs, from text to images. Murati's assertion that AI will displace jobs, especially those that she believes should not have existed, has stirred significant debate. She questioned the necessity of certain creative roles, suggesting that AI's efficiency could render them obsolete. The implications of her statements are profound, as they challenge traditional notions of creativity and the value of human-driven artistic processes. The rise of AI in creative fields has led to a reassessment of what constitutes valuable and meaningful work. Tasks that involve repetitive creative processes, such as basic copywriting or simple graphic design, are increasingly being handled by AI. This shift is forcing professionals to rethink their roles and find new ways to leverage their unique human creativity, which AI cannot replicate. While this transition is unsettling for many, it also presents an opportunity for growth and innovation in creative industries. Impact on the entertainment industry. Murati's comments come at a time when the entertainment industry is grappling with AI's influence. In 2023, screenwriters and actors protested the increasing use of AI in Hollywood, fearing job displacement and the erosion of human creativity. The entertainment sector, known for its reliance on creative talents, faces a paradigm shift as AI tools become more sophisticated and capable. AI-generated scripts, characters, and even entire scenes are becoming more common, raising questions about the future role of human creatives in film and television. The freelance market downturned. Freelancers who relied on repetitive and easily automated tasks are finding it increasingly difficult to compete with AI. However, those who can adapt by offering services that require a higher degree of human insight, empathy, and creativity may still find opportunities. The key to surviving and thriving in this new landscape lies in continuous learning and skill development, ensuring that human workers can complement AI capabilities rather than being replaced by them. Murati's vision for AI. Despite the concerns, Murati envisions AI as a catalyst for enhanced creativity and productivity. She believes AI can expand human intelligence, creativity, and imagination when used as an educational and creative tool. Murati advocates for widespread understanding of AI's capabilities and integration into workflows to maximize its benefits. Her vision suggests a future where AI augments human abilities rather than diminishes them, fostering a collaborative relationship between humans and machines. Personalized education through AI. One of the most promising applications of AI, according to Murati, is in personalized education. AI can offer custom tutoring tailored to individual learning styles, cultural backgrounds, and interests. This democratization of education could bridge gaps and provide learning opportunities to even the most remote areas of the world. By leveraging AI, educators can create more engaging and effective learning experiences, addressing the unique needs of each student. AI in healthcare and climate solutions. Murati highlights AI's potential in healthcare and climate change solutions. Advanced AI could revolutionize medical diagnostics, treatment plans, and patient care. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and predict health outcomes, enabling early intervention and personalized treatment. In the fight against climate change, AI can contribute to innovative solutions, from optimizing energy use to predicting environmental changes. The broader impact of AI. The broader impact of AI extends beyond individual industries. Murati emphasizes the need for collaborative efforts from companies, civil society, media, governments, regulators, and the public. The integration of AI into society requires a balanced approach that addresses ethical considerations, regulatory frameworks, and public awareness. Ensuring that AI development aligns with ethical standards and is subject to robust regulatory oversight is crucial to mitigate potential negative consequences. Ethical and regulatory considerations. As AI continues to evolve, ethical considerations become paramount. The displacement of jobs raises questions about the social and economic impact on affected individuals. Ensuring that AI development aligns with ethical standards and is subject to robust regulatory oversight is crucial to mitigate potential negative consequences. Murati's emphasis on ethics reflects a growing recognition that technological advancement must be balanced with societal well-being. Future job opportunities. While AI may displace certain jobs, it also creates new opportunities. The healthcare, education, and climate sectors could see the emergence of roles focused on AI development, implementation, and oversight. These new roles require a combination of technical skills and domain-specific knowledge, offering a pathway for workers to transition into future-oriented careers. By embracing lifelong learning and reskilling, individuals can position themselves to thrive in an AI-driven economy. AI as a complementary tool. Murati underscores the idea that AI should be viewed as a complementary tool rather than a replacement for human creativity. By leveraging AI to handle repetitive and mundane tasks, humans can focus on higher-order creative and strategic activities. This symbiotic relationship between humans and AI can lead to unprecedented levels of innovation. The introduction of ChatGPT and subsequent AI tools marks a significant milestone in the technological landscape. The potential of AI to enhance human capabilities spans many fields. In creative industries, AI can act as a collaborator, providing inspiration, generating ideas, and refining results. In scientific research, AI can accelerate discoveries by analyzing data and recognizing patterns. In business, AI can optimize processes and improve decision-making processes. Incorporating AI as a partner in innovation opens up new possibilities for human achievement. While it is inevitable that certain creative jobs will be replaced by AI, we cannot overlook AI's broader potential to improve creativity, education, healthcare, and climate change solutions. Mira Murati of OpenAI envisions a future where AI is thoughtfully integrated into workflows to extend human capabilities and create new possibilities. The challenge will be to navigate ethical, regulatory, and societal implications to ensure the AI revolution benefits all humanity. By fostering collaboration and adhering to ethical standards, society can harness the transformative power of AI to build a more innovative, equitable, and sustainable future.